Hello, I thought I would talk about this lovely machine today. I have used it before. It's an older machine, but a couple of unique features. You turn the light on here. The other interesting thing is if you move over here, this is where you would lift this little lever. That is how you wind your bobbin, right there. This is how you reverse. You loosen your knob, put it up, put it back down, and then tighten it back up again. And this is the foot pedal. So this does nothing. It's just kind of there. It doesn't move. This right here is where you would push with your foot to get it to go. You can rest your foot up here and use your heel for that. I don't, because I have a tendency to do terrible things like sew barefoot. I use the ball of my foot to control the machine. Why do I say I do terrible things and sew barefoot? You shouldn't sew barefoot. But, it's whatever's most comfortable for you.